with a story that will have you feeling like your best self. Christina White Salon is no stranger to healthy, beautiful hair. And now the luxury salon is bringing their hair care to the St. Charles community. Take a look.
Okay, so the topper is such a big game changer for lots of women because it covers their natural hair and they're able to get the coverage on top that you can't usually get with traditional hair extensions.
She is your go-to gal for hair extensions.
So you can continuously wear any type of extensions as long as you're maintaining it properly and the weight is distributed properly and it's installed professionally. So you shouldn't have any damage to the hair when you take them out.
Welcome to Christina White Salon. Christina has been doing hair extensions for over 25 years. After mastering her craft, Christina, alongside her husband and tech entrepreneur Martin White, opened up a salon of their own.
So today I'm getting new hair. I'm getting fusion. I have worn fusion ever since I started doing extensions for like 20 years, and then the hand-tied extensions became popular, and today I'm getting fusion again because it's got some really great benefits.
Christina White Salon offers more hair extension installations than any salon in St. Louis. Clients can choose from several installation options, like fusion.
For anyone who's a busy professional working all day or travels a lot or comes in from out of town, this one's great because it lasts 3 to 6 months. So you can come in and get it installed and then go back to your hometown, wherever that is. And it's really popular for people in the South where it's like extremely humid because it's breathable. It comes in textures that are wavy, so it matches a lot of textures.
Or tape-in extensions.
The row extensions are really, really great for anyone with fine hair. Maybe they have gone through menopause or surgeries or something like that, to where their hair is more sensitive to having a lot of extensions, so a hand-tied weft might be great for them. They're also really popular for younger girls as well.
And of course, their newest technique, toppers. Regardless of what works best for you, every installation is paired with the Christina White blended method, keeping your hair healthy and giving you the most natural look. And now you can enjoy this 5-star salon experience in St. Charles.
We're on the streets of St. Charles at our 3rd location.
With locations in Brentwood and Chesterfield, Christina White Salon is proud to join the St. Charles community.
So we're super excited to be here. One, for the location. It's such a great spot with the nearby restaurants. Napoli 3 is here, Prosino, and that really drew us to this location, that it's vibrant, there's a lot going on, a lot of residents living here. So we're excited to be here and be open to the community in St. Charles.
To celebrate their 3rd location, new clients can enjoy 50% off installs through the end of February. From extensions to bonding, color, and keratin treatments, transform your hair at Christina White Salon.
Oh, congratulations, Christina White Salon. The new location is so beautiful. Again, that deal, it's running through the end of February, 50% off hair installs for new clients. You can learn more at kck.com/showme.